Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are trying to open the task scheduler in Windows 10 or 11 but you are getting an error saying the task scheduler service on local computer started and then stopped, you are in the right place. You might also be seeing a blank screen with the message the remote computer was not found or reading data failed. These errors usually happen because a background process called the time broker service is turned off. Surprisingly, Windows doesn't list this as a required dependency, which is why it's so hard to fix. But today, I'll show you a quick registry tweak to fix the task scheduler not starting. Let's dive in. First, we need to open the registry editor. Go to your Windows search bar, type regedit, and click on Registry Editor. Make sure to click Yes if it asks for administrator permissions. Now, we need to navigate to a specific folder. You can copy the path from the pinned comment below or follow along with me. Expand HKE, Local, Machine. Then go to System, CurrentControlSet, Services, and scroll all the way down until you find the folder named TimeBrokerSvc. Once you click on the TimeBrokerSvc folder, look at the right side of the screen. You will see a value named Start. Double click on Start. In the value data box, change the number to 3. Setting this data to 3 changes the service to a manual start, which allows task scheduler to work properly. Click OK. Now go ahead and close the registry editor and restart your computer. Once your PC reboots, open Task Scheduler and the started and then stopped error will be completely gone. If this quick fix helped you today, please hit the like button so this video can help others, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows tech fixes. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching.